Did yesterday drink milk? I sleep good, poop good.
Yes, yes, honey, yes. You've got to have milk every day.
Poop good. But the whole bottle take me long time to finish. We have another mess in the truck. Yeah, at least they caught people who
We're recycling the mask.
recycling, yes. They sold honey 3 baht each
Oh my
per
God.
one too.
Uh-huh.
10 piece 30 baht. Usually I bought in one box 72 baht last time. I remember I paid 72 is mean just like 1 baht and 50 stang. People.
Can't we get going here? Not in a hurry, are we? Not in a hurry. Yep, gotta slow down for the bridge. Might spill our coffee. That's it. Maybe they got a cup of coffee in there.
Can't drive fast.
Can't drive fast. Drinking their coffee. We'll think that anyway. Why we are driving carefully.
New driver.
Ambulance. There's still a lot of haze in the sky, but you know it's 25 this morning, the air. I have never seen it 25. Oh, wait a minute, I'm not going that way. I thought I was going to Paseo. They must be transporting someone not too sick. They are not in any big hurry. The ambulance. Very light traffic for about what, 7:15. Sun up a little higher this morning. that sun be very bright, wouldn't it? Very hard on the eyes. $1.95 for this new building. I'm getting cheaper around here. We'll be able to buy us a condo around here for a couple $100,000 before long. They get them all put up. Mama. Bye bye. Love my baby.
Love you too.
We are waiting for traffic so we can pull back out. There's two buses coming up this lane. The light will change here in a little bit, and then we'll be able to go without interfering with anyone. Okay. There she goes. Bye-bye. It's going up these steps. Around on the other side, on the big highway, it's not good to stop out there because that's on the ramp. The off ramp. So at least I can pull off there and not getting any big commotion. Stopped everywhere. We should have turned into Market. Okay, that's not too bad. Not too bad. Look at this. No traffic here means no traffic if it's not backed up right here. Walking. Nice to put in some Monty Python to start the morning. Look at this. Man, when the schools are closed, there is no traffic. They should close the schools all the time. Laying there on Moey's seat, all sad because Mommy's gone for the day again. This is called Gamone Mansion here. The people with the old days that owned that were the nicest people you'd ever want to know, but I don't have any idea who's got it now. taxi. My. Over here as far as you can to make this turn, or I put the back wheel into the blocks there. Okay, bye-bye.